Attorney, sabi nga ng COMELEC, there's no evidence to prove or to justify this whole principle of piercing the corporate veil. But what would have sufficed as evidence? No, you mentioned kanina paper trail.
Ang dapat yung money trail if Lubiano claims that the money was his own personal money, dapat may evidence, where did you get that money? At saka isa pa, was there evidence to show na company released the same amount on a particular date? So yun yung ganung money trail, siguro yun ang malakas na ebidensya. Pero dito kasi, no evidence whatsoever. Yun lamang they are just sinupresume nila na gano'n ang nangyari. This was a mere presumption. Kaya nangyari, walang magagawa ang Commission on Elections. Ito ang problema ng motu proprio investigation. They did not dig deeper on the money trail. If they had only dig deeper on the money trail, sakasakali may nakita pa sila ibang ebidensya. But accepting the facts as given in this case, wala tayong magagawa legally. But siguro, tayong taong bayan, politically, may magagawa tayo in the future.